What is restore point? A restore point create a copy of system file on computer at the moment is created. This means you can return the computer to its original state should any error occur when, for instance, you run system utility or installing drivers. That means you can back your Windows previous state by the using restore point file. Today I will show you how to create a restore point on Windows 10. Just click start button and search create restore point. You can see the protection setting, all protection are off. You have to on this protection for create a restore point. So I'm selecting local disk C and then click configure, turn on the system protection, click OK and OK. Now again click start button and search create restore point and here we can create a restore point. Just click create, give any name, whatever you want. Restore point AU August and then create. Take sometimes very little bit amount of time it's needed to create a restore point. Now see the restore point was created successfully and now close and okay. So how can you see the where our restore file available? Just click Ctrl R, run the rstrui.exe, click OK, and next. Here we can see the our restore point is available. Now we can restore our Windows that was previously available.